Hello everyone. So today we will start with the chapter of class 10th, that is life processes. In your previous classes you all have studied about various life processes, but in class 10th we will study them in detail. So before starting up we must know what are life processes. You all know that our bodies have to perform certain functions to remain alive, and for that whatever processes occur inside our body, they come under life processes. Now the first basic thing that we need is food, air, water. So the process by which food is consumed in our bodies is known as nutrition. Okay, so in this chapter, we will study how nutrition happens in plants, both as well as animals. Now, is it only enough to take food inside our body? No. So from that food, what we need to produce? We need to produce energy, because energy is something which helps us to survive. Without energy, we cannot work. So, food is converted into energy with the help of oxygen, you all know. So, that means oxygen is also to be taken inside the body, right? So, the second life process that helps us to take in oxygen and to produce energy from that oxygen is known as respiration. Clear? But how that food will travel, how that oxygen will travel, how the waste substances will travel, so that means our body needs a very good transportation system as well. So the third life process that occur in our body is transportation. Okay, so three processes are clear. Now whatever food we consume and we produce energy from that, sometime lot of waste products are also produced, है ना. आपने देखा होगा, like when we extract juice from any fruit, है ना. So from the juice in the juicer, so some pulp, waste pulp, which is not having anything, any juice or any nutrient, so that pulp is removed out. Okay, so same way in our bodies, whatever food we take in, our body extract the entire nutrient, entire water from it. So whatever waste is left behind has to be released out, because that waste is of no use of for our body. So that system is known as excretion. These four are very important life processes, but one of the another most important life process is control and coordination. See, whatever is happening in our body or whatever is happening outside our body in the environment, so we receive lot of stimulus from the outside, and accordingly our body react, because we respond accordingly. So for that we have another life process which is known as control and coordination. So children, in this chapter, in this life process chapter, we will study these four life processes in detail, and this control and coordination is your separate chapter. Okay, although we have one another most important life process, because how this life is continuing on this earth, how the life is existing or how it is getting continued from one generation to another, that is through reproduction. So this also you will study in detail in another chapter. Okay, so that means we have 6 life processes, important life processes, and now one by one we will study these life processes in detail in the next another videos. Bye.